Today I'm going to show you how to manage an offline address book from Outlook. Okay, so what we're going to do here to manage our address book offline is we're going to go up over here to the left. You'll see mail, calendar, and then people. Jump into people, and here we are going to look for our contact list. Now, what we ultimately want to do is click on this drop-down menu where it says new contact, and here we want to choose a contact group. Now, if you don't want to choose a contact group specifically, you can literally just do this for all of your contacts. But for this example, I'm going to use a contact group. Now over here, click on add members, choose the location that you'd like to add members from, go ahead, select them, click on members and click on OK. Go ahead, give it a name. So let's just say contact export. And we are going to then click on save and close. Now, this is our contact group. Now, there's two ways of doing this. On the top left, you're going to look for file, click on save as, and literally you'll be able to save this wherever you'd like to save it to. Now, as the save as type, make sure that you come down here, drop this down and click on text only. This will put it in a text file. And once you clicked on save, you can then save that as a CSV file in Excel. Now, another way to do this, to save it directly to Excel, is once you've got your group, you're going to come over here to file, and just under info, you've got open and export. Go ahead and click on import export, and over here, you can choose export to a file. Click on next. Here you will choose comma separated values, that's CSV. Click on next, select the folder to export from. Okay, so you're going to come down over here, look for contacts. You're going to look for that contact group that you just made. Go ahead, click on next. And here you are going to save exported file as. We're going to just say export contacts and click on next. You can see over here the following action will be performed. So you're going to export contacts from the folder contacts. And you can also go ahead, click on map custom fields. But once you're done, you are going to click on finish.